guys, welcome back to another video of Emma Plays, or whatever. Today we are playing Escape School Obby, Escape. As you see here, by Split Studios. Okay, so we are playing with my brother, Fortnite Master. Go check out his YouTube channel, FinnBob789. It's really good, better than mine. Okay, so let's get started. As you know, my skin is the Assault Trooper from Fortnite. Okay, let's get into it. Okay. It's been 100... Okay, never mind. Oh! I'm in! Oh, there's the teacher. I'm gonna dance in her head. Yeah? Hi, teacher. She's marking us. Yay, she's sleeping. You better wait for me. Shh. The vents, obviously. Oh my god. No! Wait, there are crystals. Crystals here. Wait, you get a badge. Look, come. I watched you fail. You just go like this. Never mind, I'm stuck. Help me. No, I'm resetting. I was stuck. Look at my head, rip me. Oh, please wait, okay. No! I'm in the other classroom. Why? Hey. Yeah, you get a badge. I got the badge. I got the crystal cave, is that right? I can't even get up the stupid... Okay, there we go. Yeah. You don't like it, do you? You like Fortnite more? Well, I didn't touch anything. Wait, maybe you touched that little rusty thing up here. Maybe you can't touch that. Oh! So you can't touch that little rusty line. What? You can't touch the rusty line. Haha, that... Oh! At the top. At the top. There. Stop, Asa, unicorn. ASA. Are you serious? No. Don't put your head next to mine. Jeez. Serious? Oh, I'm doing it. Don't you dare push me. Yes! Let's go. No, this is how the pro does it. Wait, it's not even loading. I'm frozen. Oh, never mind. Okay, this is how the pro does it, brother. Whoa! See, that's how the pro does it. I did it my first time. I'm joking. Remember, it's always this locker. It's the end. That bridge bits are easy. Ah! Ripped my head. Hey, how to do? Oh! Okay, let's go. You pushed my head into the fire. I mean, no, lava. Why do you even like a lava slide? You put a smiley face at the end. Fortnite. Oh yeah. But lava kills you. Ow. Ow, I just dragged my face on the floor. Oh, yeah, I guess not too. I feel the same as you, boy. Okay, let's go. Wait, Finny, you don't even need to jump. Look. Well, in that one you do. Oh, my friend Prince Lux. You know, I'm just gonna unfriend him. What? What? Okay, I'll send you friend request. What? Okay, let me delete a friend. deleted the Prince Lux thingy. He's really weird around me. I don't know why. What? Sorry guys, we're just sorting this out. 1 sec. We'll go with the video. No, then I deleted a friend. Oh my God, yeah. Wait, let me add you. Okay. Wait. Stay there. Stay there. Are you waiting? It doesn't say on friend request. Or maybe the friend thingy has just gone a bit wrong. Sorry guys about this. I'm recording now. Oh my God, I'm famous. People are sending me friend requests. Okay, just who cares? We're still in the game. Why? I'm famous. Oh my God! I sent her a friend request and she left. Oh my God. She is so rude. Okay guys, sorry about that. Guys and girls. Don't touch the balls. Oh, I see your limbs. All your organs and limbs. Oh my God. I don't want to see your kidney though. Ugh. That's making me... Oh. Because you did. Hi, Finn. Hi. Oh my God, I'm flying. I'm flying. Oh my God, look at him just leaning across us. No. Oh yeah, because the black lines are invisible. Basket. I'm not very good at obbies. I don't really play. Oh, my foot still hurts. Ah! My foot still hurts from when the computer fell on me. That was painful. Okay, it's nearly time to end the video. Sorry. Okay. Ow! I'm dragging my face. Help me. This is slow. Look at you. Go away. Ow. I keep sitting. I know. What? It's not teleporting me. Oh, never mind. Take. Oh. No. This is not speedrun. This is slow run. This is slow run. No, this is slow run. A vomit of letters. Ha, rectly, I did it. Haha. Hi. How are you doing? I know. That happened to me. Just be patient and then it will load. Oh my God, that girl. Hi, Finley. Hi. Look at you. Hit me. They're not even moving. ropes to your house. Don't touch the ground. Oh, this is a bit of parkour. Is that right? Is this parkour? I'm sure it's parkour. Guys, leave in the description, comment thingy, whatever. Leave in the comments if this is parkour or not. Oh jeez. Look at that girl. I mean, look at Prince Linux. Look at Prince Linux. No, it does take a lot to load. Over here. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Come on, you can do it! Yay, okay. Cool, good for you. Because I'm Fortnite. Oh, we're fine. Ah! Oh, never mind, I got teleported. Try find which room's mine. Wow, okay. Wait, you can cheat in this level. You could actually cheat. I'll wait for you. I'm not gonna go in any Haha. Okay, are you leaving? Oh! Hey, how are you supposed to do this without flinging off? Wait, what? You betrayed me. Right, the video I have to end here, sorry. I'm at 13 minutes. No, 12 minutes and it's only 15 minutes. Let's just do this last level just for the people out there. It's this one. You have to jump. Hey. Okay, the video I have to end here. Thank you for watching, guys. If you did enjoy the video, don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to never miss a video. I hope you do enjoy these obbies. If you do, comment down in the comment section if you love obbies, and you can friend request me and I will accept them, but I have to delete them so other people can take turns. So yeah.